Uh-oh, is your Tineco iFloor 2 suddenly creating more of a mess than it's cleaning? You're not alone. A broken hose is a common headache for many iFloor 2 owners. It's like your trusty cleaner decided to become a leaky sprinkler system. It often boils down to wear and tear. That hose takes a lot of bending and flexing as you clean. And over time, it can crack, split, or just decide it's had enough. Ignoring a broken hose isn't a good idea. It's going to cause more leaks, reduce cleaning performance. And let's be honest, nobody likes a puddle in their living room. Plus, it might just make the whole thing fail on you. But don't panic. RoboCare is here to fix that broken hose and get your Tineco back to its sparkling best. Here at RoboCare, we pride ourselves on our specialized knowledge of Tineco products, and we understand the iFloor 2's design and common issues. Our team of highly trained technicians has years of experience diagnosing and repairing these machines, and that includes dealing with broken hoses. We've seen it all, and we know exactly how to tackle this problem. Our repair process involves carefully removing the old, damaged hose and replacing it with a genuine replacement part. We ensure proper installation to prevent future problems and test the unit thoroughly to guarantee it's working flawlessly. It's all about getting your Tineco back to its peak cleaning performance. Now look at that. After RoboCare's expert repair, your Tineco iFloor 2 is working perfectly, cleaning your floors without leaving any unwanted water. No more leaky hose issues. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm so glad I found RoboCare. They were incredibly professional, and the whole experience was completely stress-free. If you're having problems with your Tineco, or any vacuum for that matter, I highly recommend contacting RoboCare.
Don't let a broken hose ruin your cleaning routine. Visit our website or give us a call today. We're ready to help.